To use an Apple gift card, you need to first understand what it is and how it works. An Apple gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase items from the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, and Apple Music. The first step is to check the balance of your Apple gift card. You can do this by visiting the Apple website and signing in with your Apple ID. Then click on your account and select Redeem Gift Card. Enter the gift card code and click Check Balance. Once you have checked your balance, you can start shopping. To pay using your Apple gift card, open the App Store or iTunes Store and select the item you want to purchase. Click the Buy button and sign in with your Apple ID. On the payment page, select Use Gift Card and enter the gift card code. If you have not already redeemed the card, you will be prompted to do so. Enter the code and click Redeem. Your gift card balance will be applied to the purchase and you will be charged any remaining amount to your default payment method. Make sure to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any unexpected charges. It is also important to note that Apple gift cards can only be used in the country where they were purchased. So if you have a gift card purchased in the United States, you can only use it to purchase items from the US App Store or iTunes Store. By following these steps, you can easily use your Apple gift card to purchase items from Apple. Remember to always check your balance before making a purchase and keep track of your card to avoid losing it. Using an Apple gift card is a convenient way to purchase items from Apple without having to use a credit or debit card.